This Lamborghini was left here for years, forgotten, broken, and slowly dying in silence. Rust has claimed every panel, and most people would walk away without looking back. But we saw something else, not scrap, a legend waiting for one last chance.
This moment decides everything: rescue or total disappearance.
The journey ends here. Now the real test begins.
Finally, inside the studio, every scar, every dent tells a story waiting to be rewritten.
Before the work begins, we must awaken it. Every layer of dirt washed away carefully.
Delicate hands touch each panel, every imperfection examined, every flaw respected.
The soul of the car lies inside, each part carefully handled, preserved for rebirth.
Every mechanical detail is a challenge, every bolt a story of neglect, now facing a second chance.
Every inch tells a story of neglect. The undercarriage is no exception, demanding patient care.
Even the wheels carry years of abandonment. Every bolt is a tiny story, waiting to be rewritten.
The heart of the car is fragile. Every mechanism, every wire, a challenge demanding precision. Each dent and scratch is a chapter. Before we restore, we must first understand every flaw. Preparation is key. Every layer of old paint will soon give way to a new beginning. Each stroke reveals what lies beneath, a body worn by time, patiently awaiting its rebirth. Every dent is a story, and every repair brings it closer to perfection. Precision before transformation. Every edge shielded, every panel ready for renewal.
The old must make way for the new, every surface prepped, every imperfection acknowledged. After months of neglect, the car stands ready, every detail preserved, every panel prepared for its second life. This is the moment where years of damage fade and a legend begins to breathe again. Not new yet, but no longer forgotten. The soul of the machine is returning. Every polish brings perfection closer. Every detail brings pride back.
From silence to strength, from rust to royalty.
This is not just restoration. This is rebirth. Welcome back, Lamborghini.